Good afternoon, dear students. As we discussed some silent letters in the earlier videos, today we are going to discuss all these and some more letters which are silent in English language. So let's start. First of all, A. A is silent in teacher. For example, teacher, Teacher. A is silent here. Then basically ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੇਟਾ A silent ਹੈ. So next B. B is silent when there is vowel B and T. So in these words, doubt, B is silent, and second one, that. In that, B is again silent when there is vowel B and T, then B is always silent. Third one, C. Science, when S and C both come together, then mostly C is silent. Science, ascend, and scissors. So in these three words, C is always silent. Next one is fourth one, D. Hedge, when there is vowel D and G, then D is always silent. Next one, bridge, pledge, and grudge. D is always silent in these words. And the fifth one is E. E is a vowel. As I discussed earlier, all the 5 vowels are silent somewhere in some words. Let's take the example of E. E is also silent in early and earn. In both these words, E is silent. Pronunciation starts from A, early, earn. And F. F is never silent in English. We always speak or pronounce F. For example, fat. Fat. Farm. Fat, farm. F is always pronounced. It's never silent. Next one is K. K is silent. For example, knife. In knife, K is silent. When there are K and N in adjacent positions, then K is never spoken. We pronounce the word knife. Next, no. K is again silent here. And knowledge. K is again silent. Night. Yodha. Knight. Night. Yodha. In this word, GH is also silent. When there is GH after vowel, then GH is always silent. For example, high. 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 And next one is L. For example, talk. When there is ALK, then L is always silent. Talk. Walk. Chalk. CHLK. Chalk. Walk. 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 Palm. ELM. Palm. L is silent. Calm. 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 L is again silent here. Next one is M. When there is M and N in the beginning of a letter, then M is always silent. we pronounce this word mnemonic. Mnemonic means ਆਪਾਂ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਜ਼ਿਲ੍ਹੇ ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ, ਉਹ 22 ਜ਼ਿਲ੍ਹੇ ਸੀ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਸ਼ਾਰਟਕਟ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਸੀ, ਪੱਬੀ ਮਾਮੇ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਾਂ ਗਾਮੇ ਫੁੱਫੜ ਨੇ ਫੈਸਲਾ ਜਿੱਤ ਲਿਆ ਹੈ। ਜਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ 12 ਜ਼ਿਲ੍ਹੇ ਸੀ ਉਦੋਂ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਸੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਫੱਕਰ ਸਫਲ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ। ਸੋ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਜਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਸ਼ਾਰਟਕਟਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਇੱਕ ਅੱਖਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ, ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਨੇ mnemonic. Next one is N. When there is M-N in the end of a word, then N is always silent. For example, column, and second example is autumn. Next, Q. Q is never silent in English. So we have discussed 15 alphabet till now. Out of these 15, only three letters are there which are never silent. They are F, J and Q. The rest of the 12 are silent in some words. So dear friends, please do write them down in your notebooks. Try to write these words yourselves and do the practice. Practice makes a man perfect. So you will also learn all these basics of English if you do the practice along with me. So hope you will do and get benefit from it. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.